Want to accelerate towards your target PTE score? Let PTEPLUS show you how. We've combined the best of leading-edge technology with PTE expert interaction to bring you the ultimate all-in-one course. Begin your journey by analysing your current proficiency and your key areas to target. New to PTE? Go straight to learning. Our top-tier resources cover everything you need to know, right down to the most detailed techniques. Of course, practice makes perfect. Tackle questions from our ever-growing bank with 100% auto-grading for every question. Make sure to assess yourself regularly and watch your performance improve towards your target score. Support is always present. Consult our expert PTE teachers anytime, anywhere. All this in one course with PTEPLUS. Try it out for free today.